Ni Aikari a Gatundu aria makoretwo magiteta kuona maai maria marahuthira kuuma irima rimwe nimarekirwo ndawa nyingi makiria ya githimi undu uria uratuma ona irio iria mararuga na maai macio gukorwo igicenjia rangi na mucamo muru. Kahiga Gikonyo uria ni umwe wa Aikari a gicigo giki ni aratariria ikinya riria matacukitie thutha wa gukinyirwo ni mateta ma Aikari aya.
This problem started last year in September when this borehole here behind me was dug, and there were issues that came with the quality of water that was being supplied. First, people started complaining about the saltiness. They had changed the taste. We complained to the WASCO and they gave us an analysis of quality analysis that had been done by SGS, which confirmed that the water quality was okay.
Aikari aya moigite thutha wa kwaraniria na kambuni ya maai ya Thika gutire kihonia monete gia thina uyu na koguo makoria kambuni ino kumatangikira na ihenya.
Solution ni wakuje watutatulie hii mambo, sababu we cannot continue taking salty water where else it's ni area moja tu inakunywa hiyo salty water. Landless I understand wanakunywa maji mzuri, Salama inakunywa maji mzuri. Why us? Kwa nini ni only our area from Kamagambo to Jerusalem?
The WASCO are not addressing our issues, and what they can do now, we condemn this borehole until, or maybe if they can, it's not condemned, we have it, they put a plant for pre-treatment before they release it to the houses.
Murugamiriri munene kambuni ya maai ya Thika Moses Kinya ni ateaniire mateta ma Aikari aya na kuga ati maai macio ni makinyaniru ma kuhuthirwo ni andu. Riu Aikari a Gatundu ni moritio gukorwo na ukiririria orere uthuthuria wigie mateta mao urathie na mbere niguo gutigirira ni magia na wihokeku na maai macio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.